Do you want to find deleted reels on Instagram? You can see recently deleted reel videos in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find deleted reels on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Finding deleted reels on Instagram allows you to recover and restore any videos that were previously deleted from your account. This feature is helpful for accidentally deleting a reel that was removed for various reasons. Instagram only keeps deleted reels in a recoverable state for 30 days. After that, they are permanently erased. To find deleted reels on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device or computer. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down the menu and find the Your Activity option. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Your Activity screen, scroll down until you find the Removed and Archived Contents section. Tap on Recently Deleted to view all content that has been deleted recently, including Reels. To see deleted Reels, tap on the Reels icon at the top of the screen within the Recently Deleted screen. You'll now see a list of all the recently deleted Reels videos from your Instagram account within the last 30 days. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to find and restore any deleted reels on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.